Nice mate for Custom Cruise. You can see here, easy way of bleeding your brakes. Okay, we've basically got a handlebar bolted on with clamps, so we can do the brake. Okay, we've got the caliper on here. We've got new washers in. We've got the hose and the spanner. We've got sealant on the threads. The sealant stops the bleed nipple leaking, because they do. Okay, so put some sealant on threads. We put a spanner in between the pads to hold the pads apart. Basically, what you're going to do is pump this, build some pressure up. Okay, minus 15 psi. Okay, and then basically this has got to be upright to bleed. A bit awkward single-handed. But basically, you're going to crack this off, and that'll suck all the bubbles out the pipe. And you can see here, I've just done it. So obviously, I can't do it single-handed. You can see that is bang on. Comes on literally there. Very simple to make. So basically, all you need, your master cylinder. These are 7/8 bars, so we put reducers in, and then the calipers here with the bleed nipple. Okay, so crack that off to bleed, and because you've got this sealant on here, you won't get a problem with all the fluid bleeding back. This ensures there's no air gets in, and this is your pump, vacuum pump. Okay, it really is that easy. This particular one we're using .5. Some of the later Harleys use 4, but you can fit 5 in as long as the seals are compatible. If not, rebuild them using .5 seals. This is obviously the normal silicone, which is normally pink. This is the Harley stuff, which is like a different colour altogether. And we've got new washers, new, all the tools we need. Very easy to do. If you're interested in any other ideas, watch some of the other videos. There's some interesting, perhaps not thought about ways of doing things. Okay, customcruisers.com or the new site customcruisers.eu if we ever get it done. Alternatively, if you want any .5 or any brake pads or brake upgrades, give us a call, 01773 835 666. Thank you.